everybody, and welcome to our 21st day of the fitness challenge. We reached till the end. I hope you did all 20 workouts before this one, because that one will be just the icing on the cake. And today we are focusing on our cardio and complete fat burn. We have 4 different exercises and they will fly by really fast. So let's go into the workout breakdown. So the first one will be burpee with dynamic push-up into 180 jump. So we're gonna go down into the plank, then you're gonna jump apart and do a push-up at the same time, jump together, and then you're gonna do 180 jump and continue this exercise for one more time. For the beginner, you just go down on your knees and do a push-up, and then you basically just stand up and go on your toes. You don't even have to turn to the other side. Okay, then we're gonna go into the flutters. So it's the abs. I'm gonna go for 6 reps. You can have your hands slightly below your butt, or better, just press the lower back to the mat. Lift up the chest and shoulders, and we're gonna go for 6 reps. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. Okay, then you're gonna flip over again. We're gonna go into the pendulums, and this looks like this. Okay, lifting the legs left and right. If you cannot jump, just lift one by one without jumping. Okay, like this. And then we're gonna do plank to squat jump. That means you're gonna go back to your plank and you're gonna basically go into the squat position, jump back to your plank, squat position. So basically what you're doing here, you're just jumping, and a little bit for a few particle of the second, your hands and feet will be without touching the ground. All right. So, okay. So for the beginners, this one can just be stepping through into the squat position. Okay, and we are doing 3 reps. So we're gonna do 2 burpees. We have 6 flutters. We have 6 pendulums, and we have 3 plank to squat jump. Okay, 5 minutes in front of us. All what you need is an exercise mat and yourself, and 21st day fit challenge is here. Let's hit it. All right, so if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's start. And
it's on the line.
Let's
Show me how.
Dynamic
Get on
burpee.
down. Close my eyes. Take me for a ride.
Down.
Got to be you.
Over.
So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up. Let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your face tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise.
That was an awesome cardio burn for the end of our challenge. I really loved it. This was great. This was amazing. Oh, okay. So, if you like my challenges, don't forget to subscribe, like this video and comment. Give your girl a little bit of support. I've been trying so hard to bring you a really good, awesome workout. And this challenge means a lot to me because I was dedicated for entire 3 weeks for YouTube content, and yeah, hope you like it. But if you want to see more, only for $12 per month, you can work out with me every single day. I post weekly schedule with lower body workouts, upper body workouts, full body workouts, AMRAPs, pyramid, HIIT styles, flexible, flexibility, mobility, interval yoga, Tabata styles, low impact workouts, beginner workouts, TRX workouts. So slider workouts, kettlebell, everything is there. So that you can kick your new year on the right track, start creating new healthy habits for you, and yeah, that's all I want for you guys, to stay safe, to stay healthy and fit, because this will help you in your everyday life. Alright, so thank you so much for training with me. And stay tuned on my YouTube channel as well, or check out my webpage, fitnessbymaya.com. Alright, see you next time. Wish you a wonderful New Year's Eve and wonderful start of the 1st of January 2021. Ciao.
I am longing for a kiss that